Ryan attempting backflip.
Yeah!
Haha! Wes. What's up?
How much?
That's cool.
I think I like the right better. I'm gonna have to go for the shoot right again.
Double!
Spin slower.
Yeah, I'm hucking it and I'm coming around and then being like, but I'm finally having time to spot my landing. Yo, do you guys realize how big that is?
That's like a 30-foot
It just kind of occurred to me that I'm about the same height and I'm at like the takeoff.
So?
Dude,
Ryan,
that's
you're
so
lower.
big.
A lot lower than Ryan, you're a lot lower. Feel like it's that
No,
thing.
you guys parallel with us.
Ryan, go.
Higher, actually.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
One second, back up a bit more.
The cataract goes up, Patrick. Here you go.
Too bad.